In this video, I'll quickly walk you through on how to check apps that needs to be updated on your iPhone or update any app of your choice that you have already as existing on your iPhone. Let's just get right into it. To find out apps that needs updating on iPhone, these are the steps. All right. First is to locate the App Store. You can see mine here, so I'll tap on it. On tapping there, you will see an interface that looks like this. So tap on your profile icon. It's usually at the top right, okay? So in this case, my profile icon is GR. Alright, so I will tap there. On the new page, you will see your email address and your name. Alright, then get to apps, so you can see apps as one of the options there, so tap on it. This displays some apps that are installed on your iPhone currently and those that need updates. So for you to update any of them, tap on the update button. For example, pay owner needs updates, so I'll tap on update. Okay, so you get to all the apps you want to update and keep on tapping on the update button. All right. Alternatively, once you open the App Store, you can still search for the specific app that needs update. So, for you to do that, tap on the search button, which is at the bottom right. When you tap on search, you can see a space for you to search games, apps, stores, stories, and more. So, I'll tap in there and then I will type the name of the app I want to check if it needs an update, which is in this case WhatsApp. I will tap on WhatsApp, I will type in WhatsApp. Okay, then after that I will tap on search button for it to search. All right, this returns the specific app, which is WhatsApp Messenger in this case. So it needs update, so I will tap on the update button. So once it's done updating, you will see an open button there. Okay, you see a text open, so tap on that and you will launch the app.